Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Good evening. Okay. Wait first. Me I put that for. Wait, me I put that for this speaker. Oh yeah, go ahead and talk. We dey hear you.
Okay. The segment with speak Benin, I was still small Benin. They miss out with English.
Okay.
Well, but okay. He had only the message in it to me that because for the past 2 months, my husband they cover my mouth. My husband they oppress me because of Papa Wala. Do me the do I beg. When I cut this part when me and myself they talk, so now go cut and go give them. Make it think. The day we go get chance, we go listen to this voice, and we go listen. Do me the do I give you 7 days. Make you take go the third course. That one number 1. Do me the do any way ya boy because the voice record the way of women. For the past 2 months, or that connected in because the Michael Wala me Metu Wale Society of my current. For the past 2 months, or that connected you both with Monu, the voice record the Tunula Miekwe, and who know joy, a Kenuada Aje, a Yale voice record, do Mizedo, Najeru Wala. Here where Baba we Monica, earlier than the Lord of the party, the Monica, and the West away Monica. So a lot of matter is actually like that go type the lolo. Okay, lolo worry is but a platform again leave a message equal. A lot of work activity upon a lot of novice so because a Monica also well like social media, and then they lolo. Even a lolo me or ya defended bay. Oh, when you were on the 8 weeks. Which Okoni we make it down one. I built one year, and I'm with that here. On a gate, we see at the bono. Okoni about was for 10 years. About about Papani, about Mopani, about a particular business. On a gate 8 weeks on a review. Imagine because Medley Kali le Monica Velolo. A lady no Manokaba Gia, but the sister, a different video the social media. Okay, apropos. And not the last year. So, so not to click his jaw, not to yard done anything like Melissa was about the Benawa made for my video. And not your that for me. Now we give it not soon. After 3 weeks of it, and I said the video going. West record in Uyami with my wife, and Uaji, do me the don't push me. I bet the wait here, but a lolo got my more about it. The West record you were Uyami with. Lolo mamo about a lot of us in there very okay. But a Monica pushed me to be following Lolo. A Monica does me love Lolo like a Lolo. Because it takes me 3 weeks and 3 months and 3 weeks. They are done Eva. Nija Dania Eva. Why after Bonne Monica, the Monica or see well like social media, either they Lolo. But even a Lolo me or that been an day. Monica Kaki Lolo, Boya Ve. Lolo now they tell me no in Monica, which I always. If we have to go with voice record. So if we need to come away to me, the dirty door is to tear upon it don't go away as a sister. May not go away by next year, but they have 50 years. Your mama, therefore, maybe in a baby face. It don't go away as a sister. I get way up here, but. Please, man, you know, just please, boy. No matter when you have a we do Papa, what have me Papa with Papa you wear, Papa let me not soon of Benny, Naya boy. It can only make the mistake to me that to know my and then I get that Severian, I do get a zero Severian, can only make the mistake me come out. Then I soon will last on the opportunity to do that last year, with Papa 3 months ago, with a live video. Wọ́n fẹ́ ìkẹnúná ẹ̀fọ́ mi ọ̀rá ìmẹ̀ lọ mọ́sọ́nùtà. Alẹ́bẹ̀ ẹ̀mí ayé bí pọ̀ wà ó ẹ̀mẹ̀ nínú náà àyà tẹ́. Et que nous, on a fait des milliards de nous, on a dit qu'on bosse avec nous. Nous, on la bien, et dans les Nigériens, ou à gars, même là, moi, pour les gens, il y a fait, et les minorités, ils ont été, voilà, vous êtes en route, on a été boisé. Ouais, vous demandez de tout le monde, il me bora, non, voilà, vous voyez, pour et dans le route, on a été boisé. Voilà, oui, ouais, il m'est quoi. Voilà, oui, moi, ouais, il est mieux quoi. Voilà, vous, voilà, dans la faux. Voilà, vous, voilà, voilà, vous, il est voilà, pour l'aider. Voilà, il y a de la faire bien à mer. Voilà, vous, moi, j'en fois. Et là, loger, et Monica, dit, mais nous soigner. Voilà, vous, voilà, dans la faux. Voilà, vous. Et tout va y donner, c'est un ben. Maybe after this year, setting those things the next year, all presenters, you only hear the end or mass of doors, even where executed at them, we have to calculated. We have to calculated, meaning where only. Baba now, but Monica does you well. So I blame Mama, oh, I blame Monica. And secretly, the Monica may know it. And I blame a JP. Obi one JB, non secretly the Monica Renew. Which are those or everywhere Monica? Are those in everywhere Monica? Are those or everywhere Monica? So do me don't push me. Or that or look more women or select or say be a parliament, especially what the mere Bonia Mula can social media to me. Whenever I want to get a cable, I represent that. We have a way. You present that to your way, and you get a bag in your car. And you just swear, if you go where, if you go by where you don't like social media, that don't get one shot. That don't get one shot. When I said many other here, for when where we or the money where back on our way, do measure do, whoever memory we are the 2012. Almost a month back, or Jame withdraw big box in. Again, we were raining, again, we were 2012. Everywhere, I'm a man where you do me the door, because I'm not there, but everywhere. So, Selena, if I need another mistake, or I will give you your own now. Oh, Selena, I will do well, you know, Mukani, only a time, I thought water, because I'm not the body. So, we get activated, so we know what not the quick way. When I said, no, Una have my way, was in Nigeria. We should let in another ticket on a board in Nigeria. On a doorway. We give a una where the Tadona will tell in Milano 2012, if you can remember. Or ya boya Jewa, or what if they are near when I am what with it, or who I wait for, you may not have any car. Or who I wait for, only will not tell you 2012. Other French band, you know, with me, I didn't know when you could. Now, do I do why that could be the answer? If I need London, I made the mistake. Since I will money Monica, all the relay, I will stand in a way. Because if I have way, up my head, I say Lolo perfect or my perfect. But if I need London, I made the mistake. I get a relationship in 10 years because a woman no go in the here. So do me that do. The Monica will weigh 100%. I will confirm that or ma on the Navible. Do me say, don't look at my way. Or say, well, no, let's have here, not the sheet. And my way, I say, well, it can't not go to the mechanic over for else. But be careful. Be careful. I do me that though you talk too much. It's like that the boy was a sister. You talk too much. You talk too much. I deserve. It's a female. If you grab the woman, I deserve to me the do. La wo only na be go. Who love Bravo Kawe? My love Bravo Kawe, my dear brother. There is a big difference between love and like. Who like Bravo Kawe? Or who will not love who way? Apart from love Bravo Kawe, where are they a disgrace, insult, and pain? Where are they go warning? Imagine Okonoye Bekungo, Onaya Mukdano love, Onaya Muadia Weku. Why ya say a disgrace and insult and pain, oh, ya saw what you say. Insult in Okona didn't mean that the lane have been Bomaropa. What ye again? Toko, you wala man, not cannot with Monica. In just way to a make when I do wala languages with Monica. Or send Okoni Malaket in Goa. Because Ibina kebina. Ebe get because we have few wages. We have fake away to no man no fake. They can't we no a get the way I coronavirus. So like you talk too much. And here in the social media, they have a problem anywhere. They are not your problem. A problem anywhere. They are total way. Maybe innocent soul. No better they can't. Other abortion who are about you. Mostly no one's a buzzer when in there. No one is blessing the defend the way. Sorry to say blessing. Because they cannot anywhere by who have man or money like get to start. Or we are happy. Maybe by now your money I got to say mommy. Who get to measure the water who go home when you're crazy? You don't know make them take a blessing. Or money not be another part of when man nothing not to move their mom. Uma mission of Saloba when not over more. Una your money not care with the bad guy. Where a spirit of your honey guy will do me better. Who don't money on the social media, we have to your web place. Yes, when we won't. Eh, Baba, now we're putting a lot of Moya Bunani bed. If you know Moya Bunani bed, the Monica come, I will love your cave. I know the sorry Monica. So, okay, Wuba. Then Ukari Wuba, one had damage image, where image. Eke coronavirus no moga no lelu no fieji o be le to ba ni muse o be le te muse ah akamani e we ko so ro ni tento da mebe Monica je be gwalo wo na we fine but enu do atien enu do onu do ajiwo ko ba logun na ke ti go ya ko ba be okay je bi na nwa so na ba konya ona ya we bi ene de ba konya we wo eri wo ka ke wa mo we. Because only a secret of Monica, a secret of a Monica, a secret to wear up. The Monica, a secret to wear up. Or some are where we want yamo. And that was near who Monica, 100% one. So to make them be careful. Be careful. Because oh, one moment. Here, not you, I will tell it, Papa. And you, they're both to be the door. Idola de Goué, Governor, or Tenoku. Ege ya vebo please on ropa no displease the word to Miseto and then is zero no maropa. Is zero and maybe never nefo. The money can see well like social media, lolo. Even a lolo moya bina the bet is supported lolo. The man supported lolo, but any no me, any no man, or ya bina the bet. Oh, when you way, you are more elaborate. A money can have me lolo, lolo. Which you too dead night. Not because I call please you. No. For you to access, when you when I comment where delete that video when you do not delete it as a respect, not in there. Or not if I'm where tell me sorry. Una if I'm sorry. Monica. But no what when I when Monica. Una wa miago wa we lolo ya for 10 years. Una wa do 20 years professor. But again, lolo yi do ya so renya. Awa ye wo. Ah? Awa ye wo. Iwa ya wa like social media go wa do the oya 2 million naira. Geru wala wa ga go kian. Wa be ya mata wa ya hi obi. Ya je pe wa le de koni na dia nya. Ru do ni wa weru wala mo 2 million. Ru do wa no ni eru wala mo 2 million like social media we one of why now Bini people why get on in ma wala wo why push eru wala no wa get ya de ko tie do wala wo baba na wo the Monica baba na we no so baba na but the Monica that be when na like social media because a lot of man you be gina if you not make gina na there okay a voice record de wala go no ja go ma go eru wala e push me o e ma lo like social media money go disappoint that for me 23 years ago you have what now e ma need to disappoint that for me wala even no where go because we make the mistake in never go again what ya ya who I with better night for man of budget they get over no tax like your get your man all your master but tomorrow we feel we go every year and you talk too much and a result la wo ale reserve e ko ya tie beru wala wale do yimi awe botana e ko ya tie bo e please o ma ro pa no displease bo do demon yo here la wo and the last one I take you can drop a phone now. Here we have a social media we not to let mo ari egwa and when you were to let mo ari ni e mo ki face 2 years e mo ki face ya afi no get gwani e ma begi bi na pa no we bi na me ma begi papa no we fi e ma begi ro pa no we die latia e di mo fi na no wa tie o bana what did ya je €100 bi de yiba o €200 bi de yiba but you go enu o fe de ya we say that you wa but on as do yiba but when you wa la money misfruit on the tinele wa e ma bule na mewopia but una mi no mo la social media no do aga e security we la do mo so la dia e la ta e o so we na regile o ko asunkia o ge o gbe da onu gbado ke go te e ma to e ko aye ka be na regile e be no ya la dia ge no ya se kinodi o je na ro pa do we bi e je no ka ji lo wa la do push me e ge no do ko ri ma bu we e di lo ge outside wa si ne ge amwe ojo e gbo si we e ta ko je Ebunu je ekenuga aje akpe ya una atinehia bodokushi ye se manile social media we no re eyin agwaka emi no sunu no any topic no ri ade eni wo wa re body ana be kwaka any topic ya wa be la wa be so gugwe a wa be so agwaka ni so we no re body na ya agwaka e de gbe mo gbogbo ba do pa because we no we e de gbe mo gbogbo anu tie na u ya fe niye mama ni denu de gbe de video de social media ya fe ni wo e ko nu na tie wo ye ge no ya fe de o ma na fe ni body ogu e wo wa because wo ni so e we ni wa do ta eru wala don't push me o don't push me and e threatening normal of by social media so e we ni do ta Maluedi Lolo, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to talk.
Thank
God
you.
will bless you.
Bless you too.
Continue.
Bless you. Thank you, man.
Continue.
Thank you. Bye.
No.
Whoa, what else can I say? Words are not enough for me to say. Thank you. Thank you so much, ma. This was the woman that called that day that said she have audio. That you people were saying, bring the audio now, bring the audio now. I said, calm down. I don't know her before. But at the right time, God will make her do what is right. Thank you so much, ma, for calling back. I really and truly appreciate this call. And Dumezedo, I know your ear, dog have shit inside. You might not hear. Just like you have threatened all the people in Burma, Amsterdam, that if they talk, this will happen, that will happen. Just like you threatened me as well. The audio is here also. But first, the audio you played first, where Poetic Belolo, Poetic Belolo is still here. I will still play it. For those of you who don't understand what this woman said, she said Dumes Edo really did sleep with Ewu Gambia. You know, he slept with Ewu Gambia. Thank you so much, Rice. Thank you so much. That yes, it is confirmed, the audio is there, that he slept with Ewu Gambia. You know, that's what she said. That he should not push her. He should not push her to bring it because she's just respecting her husband. Her husband has been begging her not to release the audio. But it's true that actually is what I have. Like, you all know. Ewu Gambia pushed it out of my mouth. I didn't run out to say it for 8 weeks long. She insulted every living creature in my family, both home and abroad. Both home and abroad. Ewu Gambia insulted everybody. Not only my immediate family, my husband associates, my friends. Who is left? Nobody is left. Everybody receiving insult from this imbecile, this adulterous woman. For 8 weeks long. Like I said the other day, Melissa was like, Lolo, why are you quiet? Is there nothing you have to say? Is there nothing you have to say? I'm like, I don't want to talk about it. Because in my presence, this lady bring people down, put what does not belong to them in their body. That is what she's teaching people on social media today. 10%. Oh, thank you so much. What God cannot do does not exist. Thank you so much, my darling sister. I really appreciate that. She will carry what is not in your body and put it there. Add 10%, like what she's teaching all these wayward animals she's growing now, like agri fowls. 10%. He said I should add 10%. It's not 10% she had to. She had 90% lie in your life. So when she started doing it to me, I just felt like, Lolo, this is your punishment for sitting down and watch this evil woman do all these things to people. That is why I just keep quiet. I was like, God, this pain is too much. It was paining me. It was paining me. But when I realized that I almost lose my marriage, it was like a movie that only me could see. It was paining me to my bone marrow. But I had to take it. I felt like, God, if this is my punishment, I would take it. It was paining me what she was doing. She, including my children, she rubbished my children on social media. It was paining me. But I tell to myself, Lolo, you must be punished for what you did. For sitting down there and even supporting her, clapping for her to do evil to people like this. Your punishment, this is it. My people, some people say there is hellfire. No. I don't believe in hellfire. Hellfire is on this earth where me and you, we are seeing so. And from time to time, we all test hellfire. We all will test hellfire. And it is left for you to change so you don't continue testing it. But you see, Ewu Gambia, hellfire is her destination. She is not destined to test heaven. No, she's not destined to test heaven. Hellfire is her portion. That is why you see year intervals, she go back to hellfire. She cannot do without going to hellfire. She can't. Look at how many years ago, before they met me, they were in hellfire. They roast. They were saved a little bit. When they met me, shining bright in light. Life was sweet. Life was good. But you see this life, your punishment, your evil will catch up with you at a certain time of it. That was where Obo came out. She go back to her hellfire again. You all will hear. Back to hellfire because that is our destination in life. Hellfire. Back to hellfire. Oh, what happened that time didn't affect me. Even when people were calling us lesbian, I did not bother. You know why I didn't bother? Because I know I was clean. I am not. I am not. I was even accessible. Where did this thought of lesbian come up from? How did people just look at two women just because they play together, wear the same clothes and go to party? They just label them lesbian. Where? How? Whatever. Is that how people reason? At the time, some people's kind of thought now looks to me like crazy. Like, am I living in this world? Am I in this planet that people actually reason like this and like put it out there? It baffles me at that time, you know. But all the same, I just like, it's not my thing, so I don't need to worry. She carried her fire, her firewood, kerosene, and light herself and was burning. But because that is her home, she always looked for a way to either increase it or lower it. She lowered it for a minute and then it increased when the fake pregnancy was revealed. Hellfire number 2 started. At the same time, I said what I could and I back off. I'm like, okay, if this is what you are destined to do. I have been friends with someone even worse than her. Someone who sleep with men even for 10 euro. But when friendship finished, everybody go their way. She did not rub it on me. She carried her thing and she go. So I was still having that thought in my head that whatever dirty lifestyle she had is definitely not going to come on me. That was why I was like, okay, fine, whatever, I can still be there. You understand? That is why I didn't bother that much. Like, oh, Lolo, you made a mistake, you should have run. I've been with a friend like that before. So I felt like, whatever, is a lifestyle, is a thing. So that was why I didn't really run, because I didn't bother. I never knew she would come and turn the table around and want to put it on me. I didn't know. But hey, thanks to God, what I saw is what I saw. What happened is what happened. I didn't want to talk. She used everything inside the book to rubbish my image, call me evil. That's why I was laughing when I hear somebody call Rita devil and Rita is angry. Rita, you're angry, they call you devil. One person call you devil, you are angry, Rita. Let 200 people call you devil at the same time, Rita, what will you do? When 200 people call you devil at the same time, including the one that have eat your food, drank your water, use your car and your fuel to go and give food to eat, let that person call you evil, then you will know how it feels like. Including the one I drove to Aduro camp to give Christmas food. They all turned me and labeled me enemy, evil, wicked. They all turned against me. The ones that would cry on my shoulder, Stella in Germany, who called me and was crying how somebody sleeping with her husband. Stella turned me to evil. All of them turned and labeled me evil. I was like, heaven, what in God's name is this woman feeding these people with about me? Even the video you people saw of Okpaika talking, saying he sleep with Austin. If you listen to that video, Okpaika was part of the people who spiced her up for that hatred of Lolo is growing more than me. I'm sorry, but it's the truth. Okpaika was part of the people who spiced her up that Lolo is passing you. In every ramification, I was more than her. I was more than her. But the minute Okpaika started laughing at her that, look at you, you are doing saga, Lolo is going up collecting award, that was when the evil in her heart started growing large. It started growing large. And she was not like, I must pass Lolo. And me, I don't have any energy to compete with my own very right or left hand. Who does that? That's why whenever she just come on, gra, 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 I just let her do it. If she's doing the saga, whoosh, what is my business with it? What is my business with it? She was practicing. If you look at the video she did playing that audio, you will see how quiet she was. You will see her body language there. She understands exactly what Okpaika meant by that video. That one was mocking at her to challenge her. And she become wild the more. Taking over was now become her next level thing to do. That was it. It was all to spice her up and make her angry and provoke her to say she want to do better than Lolo. That was why she was not doing even worse. And then they were turning it that I was the one sending her. When I was just looking, what can I do? Just like now, many people are still talking to her. She don't listen. That was who I was. When I talk, she don't listen. She even begged me, Lolo, please, let me just do this video and talk small. I will not talk too much. The day she claimed she was pregnant and she carried pregnancy and jumped on the table, just the way all of you open your mouth, that is how I open my mouth. I was like, are you mad? What is wrong with you? Who behaves like this? The day she carried a knife and was choking a sponge that she's choking here with Tete, I told her, who does this? This is barbaric. What kind of anger you claim come over you that you cannot control? Do you guys know what she have done that I have talked and talk and talk? And some of you Edo people, are you not the people clapping for her? That she's doing well? Are you not? You guys were all clapping for her. At the time, many of you thought that I'm the evil. You thought I was the evil. Lola is the one pushing her doing what she's doing. But were any of you trying? No. You guys were not even trying either. But rather you all were enjoying it. You were enjoying it. Were you people not the one giving her name? The people choice, the enemy, the wood, the data wood. Were you not the people? It wasn't me. It wasn't me, oh. It wasn't me. It wasn't me. All of those things were busting her bubbles, raising her heads, telling herself, yes, she will be awarded for it very soon. It wasn't me. But at the end of the day, she wanted to come and rub it on me. Were you people not still the same, paying her woefully to do it? You guys were the people paying her, super chatting her. You know, some people even went as far as crying. They were crying like, Lolo, they are making money on you. Lolo, why? I said, don't worry. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. Let them give the money. They want to hear what they thought is true. Let them listen. It's okay. It's okay. I really don't care. The only thing I had to say that time was she did prostitution for how long? She never get rich. Her husband work according to her. They never get rich. They run charcoal business. I run to Nigeria many times a year. They never get rich. Is it money that comes from people's salary, people's pockets? They will one day realize that, am I that stupid giving my money to someone saying rubbish like this in my ear? They will one day realize. They will. And we're getting close. It's only the foolish ones who are still there. Very soon, the rest of them are going to also run. And then they will now know that, oh my God, oh my God. So was it not Penny Lolo? No, it wasn't Penny Lolo because Lolo was not a human being. But I have patience. I have patience. I'm a very patient woman. I'm a very patient woman. I can take all shit. But when I'm fed up, I'm fed up. When I turn my back, I'll turn my back. That is me. Or when I face you, I will face you. I will face you. It is sad. It is very, very sad what she did. Some of you are even saying, Lola, is enough now, is enough now. Have I finished giving her back the words of her mouth? This issue came up. Look at them recruiting everybody. Now she's talking about gang up. Who is ganging against you? Nobody is ganging against you. It's only the truth are just coming out. People are beginning to see the real truth of who you are and the evil you are doing. That's it. Nobody gang up against you. You think you can keep people to your side forever? No. No. You can't. You cannot keep people to your side forever. It's just a shame, Ajebo. It's a shame that you join them in this their dirty roller coaster. It's a shame. It only shows that you are also a minus man. That's what it shows. But you guys should turn around. Turn around. Dumais paid 2 million. Offer 2 million on social media after sharing money all over the places. He still didn't get it. Now he went to the palace. Share money also. Are you guys seeing what is happening? Are you seeing what is happening? Many of you will sit down and call me half Edo. Many of you will sit down and call me Naishan. Just because of your low mentality. Edo State is Edo State. Whether you Ishan, whether you Akoko, whether you whatever. Edo State is Edo State. And the whole of Edo State has one kingdom. And that kingdom is in Benin City. Oh, thank you, sis. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Thank you for my cup of tea. That Edo State has one kingdom. And that kingdom is located in Benin City. So those fools saying Benin is here, this is there, this is there, grow up. Ajebo, is a shame that you sat down in front of your camera to say half Edo people. Those people who are not fully Edo. It's a shame on your part. Anyway, I didn't expect that much from you. Do I? I thought they said you even speak a little bit of wisdom. Thank you so much, Ifoma. Thank you. It's a shame. This will only show you people who associate with Dumais Edo, you will be robbed in the gutter, just like Ewu Gambia. She got all of you, those of you who have sold yourself for peanut to her. Don't worry. Very soon, she's going to sell you guys. But before then, we are going to listen to the swear, the official one, which I also believe it was not supposed to be done. Because social media have come to stay. We are in another era where gossip pays. Gossip pay, talking trash pay. That is the era that we are. The only thing there is for us to coordinate so our trash don't come out. That is all social media made us. That's why you see some people, they are very careful at what they do with life. They are very careful what they do when they go out. So their trash will not be misinterpreted in the social media. You understand? We all enjoy when Will Smith and his wife had one quarrel at that time. We all enjoy when they said the Omotola slept with the governor of Edo State. We all enjoy the gist now, don't we? We all enjoy when Tonto Dike cried that about her. Don't we enjoy it? It's just like that too. People who are also